wondered what it feels like to push a Ford Mustang to its absolute limit, legally? Imagine flying around a racetrack, tires screaming, adrenaline pumping, and an instructor cheering you on. That's not a fantasy. It's real, and it's happening every day at the Ford Performance Driving School. This isn't your average driving class. It's a high-octane experience built for thrill seekers, car lovers, and everyday drivers who want more control. Whether you just bought a new Mustang GT or you've never driven on a track before, this school puts you in the driver's seat, literally. In today's video, we're going to explore what the Ford Performance Driving School is all about. You'll learn what to expect, how it works, who it's for, and why it might be the best day you'll ever spend behind the wheel. Stick around, because we've got insider tips, awesome stories, and answers to questions you didn't know you had. Buckle up. We're going full throttle on this one. Hit that like button, subscribe for more motorsports content, and let's dive in. Ready to drive like a pro? Let's go. So, what exactly is the Ford Performance Driving School? It's a professional driving program designed and backed by Ford, where people can learn how to control high-performance vehicles in a safe, controlled environment. They operate out of multiple locations, but the main hub is at Utah Motorsports Campus. Ford created the school to help people get the most out of their performance vehicles, like the Mustang GT, Mach 1, and Shelby GT500. There are programs tailored for different skill levels, from first-timers to experienced racers. The instructors are seasoned pros, often with racing backgrounds. And the cars? All tuned-up, track-ready Ford models that'll make your heart race. The school isn't just about speed. It teaches real-world car control, emergency maneuvers, and precision driving. Think of it as a mix between driver education and racing boot camp. Whether you're chasing speed or confidence, this place delivers. Let's walk through what a typical day at the school looks like. You show up early, buzzing with excitement, and maybe a little nervous. First, you check in, get your gear, and meet your instructor team. They run a short classroom session to explain driving techniques, safety, and track layout. Then it's out to the paddock where the real fun begins. You're assigned a Ford performance car. Think Mustangs, F-150 Raptors, or even the Edge, ST depending on the program. Instructors guide you through slalom courses, braking drills, and cornering techniques. Then it's on to the track, lap after lap of instruction, correction, and exhilaration. There's also lead-follow sessions where an instructor sets the pace ahead of you. Throughout the day, you'll learn the limits of the car and yourself, and by the end, you'll feel like a completely different driver. The school offers several programs, each targeting different drivers. There's the GT500 Track Attack for Shelby owners, ST SUV Experience for Edge ST, and Explorer ST drivers, and Raptor Assault for F-150 Raptor owners. These programs are complimentary for new vehicle owners. Yes, free. Then there's the High Performance Driving Experience, HPDE, open to anyone wanting to master track driving. Teen schools are available to help young drivers gain real-world safety skills. There's even a Boss Track Attack and Classic Mustang handling courses for vintage lovers. You don't need to be a pro, just someone eager to learn and respect the machine. The school welcomes everyone: thrill seekers, cautious drivers, car collectors, and even law enforcement. If you love cars or just want to become a safer, sharper driver, this is for you. It's about skill, safety, and speed, all wrapped into one unforgettable day. This isn't just about going fast, and it's about learning how to drive fast safely. You'll learn about vehicle dynamics like understeer, oversteer, and weight transfer. Instructors will teach braking zones, cornering lines, and apex technique, all things most drivers never think about. You'll also train in how to recover from skids, make emergency maneuvers, and handle performance vehicles under pressure. One of the biggest lessons? Smoothness. Speed is important, but smooth driving equals control, and control equals confidence. You'll also learn how to read a track, where to push, where to be patient. The drills simulate real road situations too: wet traction, evasive handling, obstacle avoidance. It's thrilling, but also surprisingly practical. Even if you never race, the skills stick with you on the street. You leave smarter, sharper, and safer. Now let's talk about the real stars, the cars. Ford provides a full fleet of track-prepped vehicles, each representing a piece of the brand's performance legacy. Imagine sliding into a Shelby GT500 with over 700 horsepower and knowing it's yours to command, no speed limits here. Or taking an F-150 Raptor off-road through jumps, ruts, and sand. These aren't showroom cars. They're tuned for training, with upgraded brakes, tires, and safety equipment. You'll feel the raw muscle of American engineering with every lap. Some cars come with paddle shifters, others with manual gearboxes for full driver engagement. You don't need to worry about breaking anything. These vehicles are built to be pushed. And it's not just Mustangs. The school uses everything from SUVs to off-road monsters. The variety lets you experience different driving styles and environments. Every car teaches you something new. People come out of the Ford Performance Driving School with huge smiles. One of the biggest highs is simply confidence. Drivers who are nervous in the morning are slinging cars through corners by the afternoon. The environment is supportive, fun, and filled with like-minded enthusiasts. You meet people from all walks of life, but everyone shares one thing: the love of driving. There's also the thrill. Few things compare to hearing your tires squeal at the edge of grip or feeling the G-force in a tight turn. The instructors are passionate and patient, which makes learning feel easy. Many attendees say it's one of the best experiences they've ever had with a car. Some even come back for more advanced levels. And the best part? You walk away not just entertained, but empowered. That's what makes it unforgettable. Of course, no experience is perfect, and it's good to know the downsides. If you're not a morning person, the early call time might be tough. Weather can affect track time, especially in outdoor sessions. Some programs don't include lodging, so you may need to cover travel costs. You'll be mentally and physically tired after a day of pushing limits. And if you're afraid of speed or don't like being corrected, the intensity might feel overwhelming. Not all vehicles are available every day, so you might not get to drive your dream car. Also, while the base programs are free for new Ford owners, additional training levels can get pricey. But honestly, the pros far outweigh the cons. The key is to show up ready to learn and have fun, and if you do, the lows barely matter. Let's hit some quick Q&A. Do I need a racing license? Nope, just a valid driver's license and a love for cars. Can I bring a guest? Yes, though guests might not be allowed in the car unless it's a two-seat ride-along. What should I wear? Comfortable clothes and closed-toe shoes. They'll provide helmets and suits. What if I crash? Instructors guide you carefully, and the cars are built for safety. Serious crashes are rare. Is food included? Most programs include lunch and drinks, but always check your specific program info. Can I drive my own car? Not usually. Ford provides the cars to ensure uniform safety and performance. Is it worth it? Absolutely, especially if you own a Ford Performance vehicle or want a unique driving experience. Can teens attend? Yes, but they offer specific teen programs for safety. How long does it last? Most programs are 1 day, though some advanced or off-road courses last 2. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll help out. The Ford Performance Driving School is more than just a fun day on the track. It's a gateway to becoming a better driver. Whether you're chasing lap times, off-road adventures, or just want to feel more in control on the street, this school delivers. You'll come away with memories, new friends, and skills that'll last a lifetime. Ford's commitment to driver education is what sets this program apart. It's not just about horsepower, it's about putting power in the driver's hands. If this sounds like your kind of experience, check out the link below to learn more or book your spot. And hey, even if you don't own a Ford, you can still join many of the programs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with a fellow car lover. Let us know in the comments what car you'd want to drive at the school. Until next time, keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the apex.